do that one more time there. That we cut just past the head of the rod at the bottom of that piece of glass. Alright, that should be the coldest and the weakest spot on this whole piece. Alright, which is good. That means it's got a lot of stress in it down there. So what I'm going to do here is we've got this box. And in this box, there's a layer of sand. Alright, and over top of that sand is something called welder's cloth. Alright, and what I'll do is, I'm going to take this putty knife, and I'm going to hit this rod. When I hit this rod, a vibration is going to go up that rod, and hopefully that's the coldest spot on this piece of glass. It's got enough stress in it that it'll just break right off.
Wow!
And that sand just gave it a nice soft landing.
Sit down, buddy. Sit down.
So, where we cut that handle on there, it leaves a little rough spot. We're going to smooth that off that torch. Now, the very last thing that we got to do with this piece of glass is, the glass is thinner out here on this outer edge and where that handle's at, but it's real thick down there at the base where that 5-petal flower is. So what's happening is this glass is losing heat at different rates, which isn't good. That's going to put a lot of stress on the glass and cause it to crack. So, we've got this oven here. This oven right here, all right, it's called an annealing oven. And that annealing oven is at 900 degrees inside there. And what it's going to do is it's going to stabilize that temperature. It's going to make the thin parts, the thick parts, the handle, the top, bottom, everything. It's going to make it all 900 degrees. And then it's going to cool it down slowly, all right, after it stabilizes that temperature. So tonight or this afternoon when we're done working, all right, it's going to start ramping down. It's got an electronic controller on the side. And it's going to drop it down to 800 degrees, hold it there for a couple hours. And 7, 6, 5. When it gets down to about 500 degrees, then it's going to shut off completely. And that heat will just dissipate out of there naturally overnight. All right, and tomorrow about 2 or 3 o'clock, it's going to be down under 200 degrees. Then we'll crack that door, let the rest of the heat out. And from there, you know, maybe another 30, 45 minutes, and we'll reach in and grab it. All right, we'll sign and date it on the bottom, whoever made it. And we'll put it on the shelf for somebody to buy. Or we'll ship it to somebody to order it. Who's got questions?